Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create powerful prompts that work perfectly with Google Gemini, ChatGPT, MidJourney, Nano Banana, and basically any AI tool out there in 2025. So if your AI results look basic or boring, this tutorial will fix that. So a prompt is the instructions or tags you give to an AI tool so it knows what to generate. So for example, I'm going to use it on Gemini in here. For example, I'm going to ask Gemini to make a realistic portrait of a woman in cyberpunk lighting. Okay, you can hit on submit and Gemini will generate the result. So the prompt structure is pretty important because it will determine the AI results. So here is the result with the prompt that I added before. So you need to know the prompt structure formula. So you need to use the five formula that works for all AI tools. The first one is the subject. So what you want to create. For example, I'm going to create a photo again. So for example, a woman. And then here you need to go with the style. So the aesthetic, whether you want it to be cinematic, anime, realistic, or cartoon. For example, in anime style. And the third one, the details. So you need to add specific elements such as the colors, lighting, settings, or emotions. So for example, I'm going to a moment in anime style. Sitting in a futuristic coffee shop with neon reflection on glass. And next one is the quality or format, whether you want to get a 4K photo, 1080p video, or clear narrations. So I'm going to go with 4K quality. And the lighting, I'm going to go with realistic lighting. So you need to also tell AI what to do, whether you want to generate, explain, or animate. So I'm going to just go with create a portrait of a woman in anime style sitting in a futuristic coffee shop, neon reflection on glass, 4K quality realistic lighting. So in here I'm going to use the Nano Banana, hit on generate again. And if you want to create a prompt that works anywhere or multiple AI tools, you can go with this example. For example, create a realistic 3D animated scene of a girl walking through a glowing forest at night with cinematic lighting, emotional tone, and 4K render. And it works on multiple AI tools. So here is the result with the prompt that I mentioned before. So now you know how to write prompts that make your AI result look professional. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye!